Good morning. You're here with Always Making Something because that's what I'm always doing, morning, noon, and night. Today, we're between breakfast and lunch. I'm going to make something that I call grash, which is grated potatoes and eggs. So we're going to do that. And so I've got this mandolin here. The mandolin is basically a mounted knife. I've got it on the wide julienne setting. I got these cool maxi cut gloves that keep me from cutting my fingers off. So watch this. Down here, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Potato done. So that's what we get from one potato. I'd call that kind of about a cup. Want a little bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and do the second potato. And voila. So I've got onions sliced in the julienne. I've got broccoli in smaller pieces, but because the potatoes take the longest, I'm going to start with potatoes, then onions, then broccoli in olive oil. So potatoes, that's about the right amount. I want to cover the pan. I don't want my to be too tomato heavy. Then onions, then broccoli. Flour for the quickie. Okay, so we're at 7 minutes in this pan. The potatoes are in here. Wanted to show you these potatoes are about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch thick. So that is going to be done within 10 minutes. They're al dente. The reason I put them in at the same time is that you can have al dente cauliflower, but these potatoes have got to be done. So it's really when your potatoes are soft enough for you that you start to work with spices and eggs, which is the next step. So we're at 10 minutes. I've got a munchkin in the kitchen helping me. So this is what it looks like over low flame. You got a little bit of caramelizing. That's low flame. My broccoli is not quite tender, but it's going to get there at the next step. So what we're doing now is adding turmeric. This is the magic golden powder related to ginger. That is an anti-inflammatory. So this is a base of curry dishes of Indians of turmeric. And then something called berbere, which is B-E-R. And then we get that in the pan. That's mostly cayenne. We're going to stir this for a minute, flipping it with your flipper, your turner. And then we're ready for the eggs. Put these eggs in. I got some beautiful eggs. This is going to be the outer ring of my egg dish. I'm serving 2 people with this full pan. So what I'm just going to do is put these eggs right in the middle, and then I'm going to put a lid on top. It's going to steam for about 4 minutes, and then we'll have slightly poached, slightly fried eggs. They'll be delicious. This, neither have you. Here we go. What does it look like? Woo! All right. Now what I'm going to do is turn off the heat and flip these eggs, and then do the final garnish. So it's going to be a little flaky stuff. Boom. Ja, ik had moeite om in het Engels te praten, net. Omdat de video...
We zijn weer aan. Mensen gaan kijken naar je flippen.
Cool. So, that's the flip. Flame is off. And at this point, I'm going to divide this in half. It's going to be 1 person serving. That's a second. So plating it up, I got 2.5 eggs here. That's going to be my centerpiece. If you're grossed out, like what the fudge, I don't want these eggs all runny, then get them to your liking. So that would be more than 3 minutes. But you can see my broccoli is a happy veggie, still firm, yay! And the potatoes will not be firm, that's awesome. So yes, al dente broccoli, no. Let me show you how to finish this guy up, and then we're gonna call it done. So a little bit of fresh herbs or dried herbs, voila. Ginny's grash. Haha, what you making? Always making something.
How did it work out?
Oh, my grash was delicious. I did potatoes, broccoli, and onions, but if you like another veggie, do it your way. And I didn't know if it was going to be curry or what kind of spice, but that's what I like, so that's what